National Population Commission, when they in charge of census for Nigeria, don't fix 29th of March to 2nd of April 2023 as the date for the 2023 National Population and Housing Census. Now, chairman for this commission, Nasir Sakwara, Naimi and this one after the meeting with President Buhari to learn how the commission don't.
Enumeration area demarcation has been concluded in all the 774 local governments, and we have digital maps for the entire landscape of the country, local government by local government, locality by locality. Having learned from the experience of the trial census, we have updated some of our processes and procedures, and the mistakes of the trial census have all been corrected. We have already started supervisors, field coordinators, and the enumerators. After the training, we do the household listing and building numbering. As soon as elections are concluded, we just set out end of March or early April. But specifically, we are targeting 29th of March to 2nd of April. Our staff will be in the field. They'll start the enumeration of people.
He talks to them, they open the portal to employ young Nigerians as ad hoc staff to do the census.
We will recruit our ad hoc staff from their localities where they reside. And if you want quality data, you have to have quality personnel. And being a digital census, by the grace of God, we will have the outcomes without too much delay.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC and your power. No say I'm giving the politician on election day.